Once again, welcome to you in our YouTube channel, English Speaking Course Shiroda. And you can see here are our students, and they are very energetic, and they are now presenting one group discussion. And their discussion topic is, so students, listen here. Today's your group discussion topic is job versus business. Okay, you have to talk about it, job and business. So students, so audience, you can see here are Mrunali, Shraddha, Akshay, Tejas, Bhumi, Riddhi, Prachi, and Nidhi is here, and you have seen them in our previous videos, and now also they are very happy and energetic to discuss this point. So let's start. First, I will ask you, on which side would you like to talk? Job. Okay. So you have to talk about job. Are you ready not to job? Yes. So obviously your point is business. Okay. Okay. So you have to talk energetic. Just you talk freely and just talk confidently. I want confidence from you, and you forget it. You're front of the camera. Got it? Yes. Okay. Start.
Job is the best because job gives to employees pension system and mediclaim are there.
She's talking about if in job means mostly in government job, after retirement you get pensions, and you get medical help also. If any issues are there, then you get medical help.
I agree your point, but if you have open your business, then you can get a profit, and the money you can use in your whole life.
She's talking about in business, if you get profit, then it you can save this and you can utilize in further business.
In India, most parents wish are to get their children's a job, and they support job because in a job less tension, and you are celebrate, and you are doing work with happily.
In a business,
Come forward.
in a business you use your own ideas, and you create your own
Image.
own image.
There is no restriction, there is no rules. If you are owner this your business, then you can utilize your own ideas and you can grow your business. Yes.
In job, if you permanent, then you get more monthly package.
I agree your point, but in business, if you are owner, then in bu- in business, if you are owner, then you get freedom. You get all time holiday.
All time not, but anytime if you want, then you can take a holiday. Yes, because you are owner, so you can take any decision. Your other employees means you can hand over this work to means other workers.
In job festival time we get sweets, gift, we can happy, but business are not get gift.
If you
How can you say that? Suppose if you are owner this business, then you can give sweets or any some bonus to your employees. No.
I agree. I not agree with
I
point.
disagree. I disagree.
I disagree with point, because if you have you if you have business, then own business, that then you can what distribute mithais and all, and
Your employee.
to your employees. But if not possible in a job, because if you आपण गुला म्हणजे सरकाराचे हे असतो,
We are the workers of others.
we are workers of others, so you
So
can
we can't.
you can
In a job, you are in need of education, degrees, and courses, so you can learn anything, and you are learn with your seniors very things.
Okay, means she is talking about in job in. Acha, you required so many applications. Yeah, so you become masters in job in this your vacancy in this particular field, and you can learn so many things, you can learn so many tricks how to utilize means how to grown up your skill. Yes.
In business we get some profits and we get uh, more package.
Don't repeat it. Repeat it. Yes.
In government job, government holiday are available to are there, and job are they are not government holiday, they are uh,
What would repeat?
the government holiday
job.
in job, government holiday are available to there, but business are not there available to government holiday.
I agree your point, but in if you are business owner, then then village you get respect.
In society, you get respect.
I am disagree this point because there are many workers. They are get a very good payment and also they get a respect of a villagers.
Yeah. Respect from the villages. Yes.
If you have open your food business, then you can open new spices and foods, and you can म्हणजे आपण like
Custom.
you can get the more customers, and then you can these customers like this your spices.
In job, there is no risk about investment.
Yes. Because of there is no risk because it's not our business, na? Give employment.
You have owner, then you give employments.
You give employments to others. Yeah.
In a job you are only employer, then you try to increases your job and you get a promotion, so you are happy to get promotion.
Yes, means in one way, in job, if you do good work, if you give your 100% dedication, then you get promotion, you get increment. Yes, and it's good for you.
I agree your point, but in a business you can get a profit and loss. They can you give in you get experience, and experience is more helpful in your life.
I'm a disappointed this point because there are many workers they are doing work more than 10 years, so they are get a very experience, uh, so they are very intelligent.
Improve our knowledge.
In business you can open your business from natural product,
A natural thing.
natural thing.
Repeat it, repeat it.
In business you can open your business in natural product,
From natural products. Yeah.
natural.
In our surrounding area, what we see front of our eyes, then from that we can open business, and it is good for it is good for the native people.
In job, we can work 8 hours, 8 hours, and and we can free and time spend our family.
Remaining time we can spend with our family. Means only 8 hours work, so remaining time we can spend time with our family.
In the whole world many people living there, that is all people not give all people not get jobs, that is why more important your own business.
Very good.
In job are there, one facility is good, and this facility is the travel package are there, but business are there not, facility are there. Job are there is best facility, they are they can go to our family.
She's talking about in job we get a medical facility, in traveling facility. Yes. So in but in business not. So what is your answer? Understood what she is talking. She is talking about in job all facilities are getting, means she is talking about the money package. But in business it's not getting. So what is your answer? In business we get good package, no? So we it's our own mind. We can go anytime to travel. We can go anytime to anywhere as we wish. Got it? Yes. We are own owner. We use smart ideas.
I disagree your point because in a business you can get holidays and you go travels and
You can take anytime holiday.
you can take anytime holiday and you can spend the time with your family and in the business you can use your own ideas and you get a profit and this profit you can
Invest.
invest policies and shares.
Very good.
In a business, owner of can take any decision.
What repeat?
In business,
Mike Babu ki problem.
in business, if you owner of, you can take any decision.
Decision, yeah. Yes. Age limit about talking. And nowadays in our India there are so many small you take and talk. Take and talk.
Nowadays if we show you are getting job is hard, and nowadays if you want to get good job, that time you are need of a very skills, and that skills increases your talent and get you a good job. In a business, no limit of our year, all time you open your own business.
In any age nowadays we can see in our India also there are so many small. In our India also nowadays we can see small child open. They have open their own business.
Yes, I agree with you, but job are there, age limit are there, but the facility is good because older age that time we can take rest. That time we must rest because for health. So I can say that I can say and the health आराम घेणं मग आवश्यक असतो.
Rest is very important.
रेस्ट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट.
So in job we get rest. We are talking about in job means she is talking about in job only get rest after retirement. So what do you think that about business? In business we can't get sleep, we can't get rest.
No, you can get a rest and you can get a sleep, but if you have your business, then you can you can anytime work this business and
You are the own owner of this business, so you can take any decision. You can give your work to other your employee also.
and you teach business ideas, learn teach me शिकवतो
अच्छा, you
आपल्याला.
teach. You teach
You teach to your children's and
your employee.
your employees. So you, business is best in your life.
Talk about who will talk. You boys will talk. Boys will talk.
In government job, government provides free room for servant.
Yeah, free room for servant. Yes.
Uh,
Who will talk? Say who will talk.
In India, there are very in India there are many jobs like police, teacher, and every job's person role is very important. That help to our India's growth.
Yeah, very good, excellent. Yes. Yes, Aman.
In business, you take our own decision. You you get experience in business. In business you must have man handling power. In business, so many losses there, then you learn there how to mm, how to face to this situation.
In job, we get a weekly holiday for rest.
Wow, very good. Weekly holiday, no? Now Saturday, Sundays are also holiday. Yes.
Nowadays, business is very important because job is very less. So you can open your own business, and because future time we will not get a job.
Okay, nowadays you know about artificial intelligence came. So nowadays jobs have been less. So nowadays you have to create something here and you have to open your earning source because in future you will not get job. So you don't have to depend on job. You have to search yourself only to earning sources. Got it? Yes.
I agree with you, but you can take more knowledge and you can get you can get best job. So
What repeat please?
to me,
English.
you can take well educated and then you get best job are there.
If you have need of money, that time you can get money in your business. Uh, but only you have job, that time you get only monthly payment.
In business you get a job. In business you get a good package. My question is there that who can be a satisfied, who can live satisfied, or who can earn lots of money, job worker or business worker, businessman or job worker? How
Because of
Mike.
business worker, because of your
Own business.
because of is this own business.
This is
This is own business.
businessman can live satisfied.
That is why businessman is satisfied.
Again
A businessman is satisfied and
well earner.
well earner, because of business is this your own business.
Yeah, it
There is your own business, then if you are own business, then you get more profit, you get respect to from others, on others, all others ideal to you.
ideal. Yes.
Many job workers are invest their money in share market, so increases the year their money are also increases.
Yeah, they get good income.
Yes.
Yes. Seriously talk, seriously.
If after 10 years the AI is come, then to control them, coders jobs is not replaced, because to control them the coders are very important.
It's very well. Yes. Yes, movies.
In job, everyone gives respect, and
Because you are government worker, then you get good respect.
if you are government worker, then you get respect.
If your business will coming some become anytime. If your business you coming then anytime.
In job worker go to office time to time. We get good discipline.
We can maintain. That's why we are habitual a good discipline.
If you have business, then you can get a profit. Then this money you can give to money or to orphans and schools.
Yeah.
So we get a good blesses from them.
In a job we meet many different peoples with religion, so our relation with them is very good, and our India's unity is diversity is a growth.
Right. Very diverse. Okay, students, you have talked here well, and it was really good discussion. And I have given you on the spot point, and you have talked well. You have covered all your points, and really it was good session. I like it, and cordially I thanks to you because of you have participated in this video session. Okay, so audience, thanks for watching our video, and if they tell any some odd point, then forgive them. Okay, and thanks for watching our video, and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe, and we will meet with new video. Now see you again. Bye.